Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Lady Vivien's Slices of Jamaican Life. Go down on me granny and she gave me piece of bammy. The bammy was so glammy that me couldn't get for near me. Rocombine in a Santa Fe, Rocombine. Now that's one of Jamaica's old folk songs, and it speaks about an item in our food culture called the bammy. The bammy was introduced to the Jamaican cuisine culture and heritage by the Taino Indians, very early residents of this island called Jamaica. And the island has kept the relationship with cassava, from which the bammy is produced over the years. And wherever you go in Jamaica, in every supermarket, in every market, there is somebody who sells the bammy. Now today we are going to take a trip to Miss Pinchy's kitchen. Miss Pinchy is a lady from Cheapside in St. Elizabeth, and for over 30 years she's been producing some of the most delectable bammies that you can think of. The thin ones, the not so thin ones, and then the thick ones. Pick your choice, whichever you choose. But I'm going to take you into her kitchen so that you can see how she produces the bammy. In fact, I'll take you into her yard and you will see that the production of the bammy is a community, it's a family matter, and it's something which allows for community spirit to be very warmly maintained. Follow me down to Miss Pinchy so we can learn how to make bammy. This is our slice of Jamaica for today. What are you doing, ma'am?
Good evening.
Good evening, what is that for? Except the weather. What that for?
For the cassava.
Mm-hmm.
We get the bammy.
Ah.
Go for another slick interview.
Yes, ma'am. What is your name, ma'am?
Nerian.
What up here? Now, Miss me. Yes, tell me now.
Nerian.
Yes. How long have you been doing this job?
Yes, can't count.
Can't count. Do you enjoy it?
Yeah, man.
All right. So you know about all aspects of the process, or you only know how to grate?
No go great and the great and him go bake.
But you know how to bake though. All right then. Well, thank you for feeding Jamaica. And the soup no say it name spoon stand up.
You know?
And she says so.
And you know how to do it, not true?
That is stand up. We can pick
Yeah.
up some of them black mango there.
Darling, they can't pick up the phone.
Oh boy.
So how are you doing?
I'm doing fine.
Happy holidays.
Same to you.
All right. Miss Pinchy, you see how me come down, you can see how goat a climb tree. What are something and a climb ladder? What? Yes, this is the great Miss Pinchy. Oh my word, but I know me drive. So all of this gone through the process already, Miss Pinchy.
Yes, man.
Beat and salt
Beat
and
and sieve and
everything. Yes.
Yeah, man.
This is the real McCoy.
Mm-hmm.
Nobody does it like Miss Pinchy.
Man.
So Miss Pinchy,
Yes,
we
man.
know you're busy, you're doing what you're doing, but can you tell me what it is that you do to get it to this point? Here.
Well, when we do the peel and we carry cassava, we wash it first.
Mm-hmm.
After we wash it, we scrape it. After we scrape it, we grate it. After we scrape it, we wash it again.
Mm-hmm.
And then now we grate it now. I put it press and dry it.
Mm-hmm.
Then we take out, and beat and sieve it. And then we bake.
Okay.
What my process.
Mm-hmm.
So
So how long have you been doing this, Miss Pinchy?
over 30 years now.
Wow.
Yeah, man.
And you're just getting better and better at it.
Over 30 years, man. Doing that something. Yeah, man, over 30.
Mm. So you know the exact amount.
That's what I do for the iron.
These Bammies appear as if somebody used a rolling pin and rolled them out. They are so smooth and
Yeah, man. No partner chicken. Machine.
wow. And it's still being done over wood fire in this kitchen. So this is where you've been doing it all these years?
Yes, ma'am. Right here.
Okay.
Right here.
And I can tell you people that this is the best Bammy in Jamaica as far as I am concerned. And Miss Pinchy make the best Bammy.
Good fire. Yes.
Look at that, so beautiful. You can eat them by themselves, although them really nice with fish and anything at all.
Anything.
So how many Bammies on an average you make per day? It's been when you're baking.
Maybe 40 dozen for one day.
My goodness
40
gracious.
dozen.
Are you standing the whole time?
Yeah, man.
So when you lay down, you really sleep.
Wow. Sweet, man. 40 dozen. Especially the day long.
Yes.
So on 3 o'clock till in the evening.
The day starts at 3 o'clock in the morning.
Yes.
And then you continue until sometimes night.
Yeah, man. It's night to catch me.
Okay.
Because it's short now, so. Night
Well,
catch me.
thank you for the lesson.
Yes, man.
Alright. This is my favorite part. When I get slapped. Alright then, thank you.
Yes, ma'am, you're welcome.
Right, Miss Pinchy, so the only thing that's left for me to do as I disturb you is to collect my Bammies and leave you with this to do what you have to do.
Yes, ma'am.
Me go down and me granny and she give me piece of Bammy. The Bammy was so glammy that me couldn't get finyami. Recombine in a Santa Fe. Recombine.